we are looking at how to pronounce these two words. How do you say them correctly? We'll be looking at how to say more, homophones as well, and confusing vocabulary in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more, but let's focus on those. They are indeed homophones, meaning that they are to be pronounced exactly the same way, even though their spellings are very different and their meanings are very different as well. So the top word is the animal, the ape, and it's pronounced as gorilla, g with a schwa sound here, Guerilla, another schwa sound at the end, so you have a stress on the second re syllable, gorilla. Now the bottom word is more of warfare, say, technique. That's actually a word from Spanish, and in Spanish it's said as guerilla, guerilla. So very different pronunciation in Spanish, but for some reason in English it is pronounced again gorilla, just like the animal, really. Guerilla is how both those words are to be said, gorilla. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.